In the tajweed on how to recite the Quran in a good way as taught by our shuyukh, a person first learns the makharij al-huruf, which are ulama karam. They taught on the places where the letters are emitted from, where they come out from in the mouth and the tongue and the throat and all those places. Then the next section, they go to what's called the sifat al-huruf, or the characteristics of the letters or the attributes of the letters. Just like in water, you have the color of the water, you have the taste of the water, you have the smell of the water. Similar to that, the letters, they have characteristics or sifat that they have. And the ulama karam, they taught us the different characteristics there are of the letters. And what they do is they divide the characteristics of the letters into two categories. One category is the characteristics that have the opposites, like the ones that have aired and non-aired, and heavy and light, and thick and thin. That's the one characteristic. And the other types of characteristics where there's not opposites. Like, for example, you have a letter that's qalqala, like you say that something is blue in color. It's just one characteristic. There's not really the opposite of it. So those are the two divisions of the characteristics of the letters. And in the ones that have the opposites, there are 5 different sections of the characteristics. There's the air and the non-air. There's the heavy or the high up letters or low letters. There's the strong letters and the weak letters, and that one has a middle characteristic. And then there's letters itbaq and non-itbaq, roofed and non-roofed. And then finally the letters that are fluent and non-fluent. Those are the ones that have the opposites. And the ones that don't have the opposites are like the qalqala, the one that resonates, the takrir of the ra, that means the still of the ra, things like that they have in the characteristics that don't have the opposites. So that's the second section that people they study when they study the tajweed, according to Imam al-Jazari and the schools that teach the tajweed and the way of shuyukh they taught since the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.